Hey, welcome back. I got a challenge the other day from my wife. She wanted pancakes. So I'm going to start off with 1 cup of oat flour and 3/4 of a cup of freshly ground flax seeds. Throw in a teaspoon of baking powder, pinch of salt, and a few good grinds of fresh nutmeg. That's important. Now let's get started on the wet tea. We'll start off with 1 medium banana. And we're going to mash that up with, well, as you can see, there's an egg there. We'll mash it up with an egg. You want this fairly smooth. There, that looks good. We're going to add 1/4 cup of coconut oil. And we're also going to start off with about 3/4 of a cup of water. I'm going to say start because we're going to be adding water throughout the process, throughout the cooking, because those flax seeds are going to just thicken every type of moisture up in those pancakes. So we're going to be adding more to thin it out. To garnish the plate, I'm going to throw on a few walnuts. Not a big fan of them, but my wife likes them. Real maple syrup. Life is too short to eat the fake stuff, okay? Promise me you're not going to get the fake stuff. And how about a little bit of whipped cream? That'd be nice. Oh, by the way, go on down there, like, subscribe, smash all those buttons down there. And we'll see you next week.